In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to flip text in Canva. Mirror text flip vertical horizontal. By the end, you'll know exactly how to mirror text for that backward reflection effect, or flip it vertically to turn it upside down, all while keeping your text crisp and clean. First, open Canva and head to your design. Make sure you're inside the specific project where you want the flip text to appear. If your design has multiple pages, navigate to the page where you want to work so everything stays organized. Next, add your text to the design. Click into the canvas and type what you need, then style it with your preferred font, size, and color. This is the best moment to finalize the wording and layout because the flipping we're about to do works best once the text looks exactly how you want it. Now we'll turn that text into an image so it can be flipped reliably. Go to Share, then choose Download. For file type, select PNG. PNG preserves sharp edges and transparency, which keeps your text looking professional. If you need the background behind the text to remain invisible so it overlays nicely on your design, check Transparent Background. If you see that option, it's perfect for layering. If not, you can still proceed with the standard PNG. Click Download and save the file to your computer. Bring that text image back into Canva. Go to the Uploads panel and upload the PNG you just saved. Once it's in your uploads, add it to your design by clicking it or dragging it onto the canvas. Treat this like any other image layer. You can resize it, position it, and align it with other elements. With the text image selected, look at the top toolbar and click Flip. Here you get two choices. Flip horizontal creates a mirror image, perfect for reflections or reverse designs. Flip vertical turns the text upside down, which is great for stylized layouts or reflections beneath a baseline. Choose the flip you want, and you'll see the change instantly. If you want to compare, you can undo, try the other direction, or flip it again to return to the original orientation. After flipping, adjust the position, scale, and alignment so it sits exactly where you want on the page. That's it. Thanks for watching.